Today wasn't a good day. I had a bit of issue first with Apple because they again refused my app because I didn't have the terms and conditions as always. But sadly, they're already inside the app. So I've again added some instructions at three different spaces in the app. So it's a bit of a pain, but what you can do. Also, I've been struggling all day. You see, it's almost 7.5, more than 7.5. And I've been struggling with widgets and the setting up of a widget extension on iOS. I finally managed to do it. The fact is, when you create an extension, Xcode uses the same flags and parameters and headers than your main project. So it's a bad thing because you don't have access to Flutter or to other dependencies. The project cannot build and the app didn't build for the day. I finally made it maybe 10 or 15 minutes ago. So I'm going a debrief a bit hot-headed. It was a pain, really. Other stuff are a bit complicated. The timeline is getting close, and I'm going to have to find a job. We'll see how it goes, but it's gonna be complicated as well. So a bit of a rough time, but I'm gonna make it. What's next? So I'm gonna add some widgets for the tasks app, and I'm gonna try to make them interactive. Like you can check a checkbox to achieve a task directly from your home screen. I'm gonna try also to add import features from Apple notes or reminder from TickTick, Todoist, and other apps like notes and tasks. Also gonna push the note app in beta. It's working fine on iPhone, but it's crashing on iPad. So I'm gonna have to take care of this also. What else can I tell you? I don't know. At the end of the day, the widget looks like the basic widget that Apple does, but it's pretty cool. So you have a simple widget like this, and I'm gonna be able to display here a task and with a checkbox just here, and you could have multiple widgets. So it's pretty good. I'll see how I can manage to do multiple views and multiple settings for the widgets, but it's progressing, so pretty good. I've also made a bit of research on two things. First is the mail clients. To set up a mail server, it's pretty simple. You need two types of DNS records. One that goes to your server. The other DNS record is a reverse DNS, which is linked to the IP address and tells this DNS record is my email server. So it's pretty good. Lastly, I've done also a bit of research on how to have multiple widgets. So basically, I just have to add a new timeline widget and declare it inside the widget bundle to be displayed into the iOS. So that's pretty good too. Sadly, I didn't look to the setup for widget on Android. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but it can be worse than Apple. So we'll see tomorrow. I'm gonna continue working next week on my freelancer work too. And yeah, let's continue like this. It was a bit rough today. I'm gonna take a break and edit this vlog. Today had a lot of challenges. I'm gonna let you hear for today. I've talked way too much on camera already without any animation or B-roll or something. Thank you if you stayed until the end. Drop your questions and anything you'd like into the comment. Subscribe if you are not. And see you tomorrow. Bye.